Durga Puja is over, but this Pujo I decided to paint Maa Durga the way I feel her presence. Hi, I'm Indrila and welcome to my channel Winter Sky Canvas. Since I'm already wearing a sari, so I thought it's a perfect time to show you the painting I made. Let's prep the canvas first. Instead of using a white background, I'm washing the whole canvas with a warm base color. This enhances the richness and depth of the other colors. Then I'll plan my art, where and what should be. I'm using my iPad and this is the Procreate app. This painting, I want to capture the exact feeling I get during Durga Puja. Maa Durga appearing in from the beautiful blue skies and white clouds over the fields of Kashful. Yes, this is a very rough sketch, so it may look very childish like a 2-year-old sketching. Now I'll start to making all the sketches look a bit more proper. I enjoy doing a quick research on what I'm drawing usually. Like for this art, I learned about the 10 weapons she holds and they each have an interesting story and meaning. You can double tap and undo your mistakes. I wish you could do that in real life too. I think I'm done with the sketch and like how and what should look like, I have a rough idea before I start coloring. Now time to color. In that blue sky, I want a brilliant golden halo right behind Durga Ma, making her look divine, a little like the sun's rays also falling right behind her. To me, Kashful, good food and new clothes are the best thing about Durga Puja. What about you? What do you like the most about Durga Puja? Let me know in the comments. Here I am doing the final sketch of Durga Ma and everything before I do the detailed colorings. Painting the powerful people below. They are carrying the huge Durga Murti on their shoulders, often with a dhaki or drummer leading the way through the fields to pandals or homes where the Durga Puja will be held. Drawing the detailed work like the jewelry, it's a lot of work and it's very tedious. But the best part, drawing the clouds. I find it so calming and satisfying to make them look so fluffy and soft in the blue skies. Here's me doing the final touches before I post. I tried my best to capture her powerful yet beautiful form. But let me know your thoughts in the comments right now. How do you think she looks? This is a video I took on Dashami from my local Para pandal. I'm glad I got to show Maa Durga my art. You can see my final art on my Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Even if the video is a little late, but I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share and subscribe to Winter Sky Canvas. See you. Bye.